My name is Jan Zisch, and today I'd like to introduce our new HMI to you. Our new HMI is a web-based system coming with a 15-inch touch panel. Now I show you the new design. Each operator has individual rights for operating the machine. The user interface is divided into several bubbles. A bubble includes the functions of an individual station. Here you can see an example of the filling station bubble. Parameters can be entered via the slide-in function or directly via the input field. The Web HMI also includes further information such as the pneumatic and electric circuit diagram, as well as the service and remote address. The screen Alarm Messages shows current messages, the history and statistics on messages that have occurred. A help text in the form of a PDF is provided for each message. It is possible to display pictures and videos for the respective help text or to store comments for later error analysis. In the recipe screen, the operator selects the product to be filled. A recipe includes the sub-recipes product and container, where the recipe can be. A tooltip for a quick explanation is provided for each parameter. For different parameters, a wizard is included to facilitate the operation. In the logbook, you can track how the values of various parameters have changed.